Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The three types of items you can create in your Outlook calendar are appointments, events, and meetings. The only difference between an appointment and an event is that an event lasts for a full day, while an appointment usually does not. To create an event when using the Day view of the calendar folder, you can simply double-click in the area above the listing of hours for the day in which to set an event. To set an appointment, double-click in the actual hour lines in the day for which to create an appointment. To change an appointment into a meeting, you just need to invite others by using the Invite Attendees button that appears in the Attendees button group on the Appointment tab of the ribbon within the appointment window. Doing this then turns the appointment into a meeting.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.